and the list goes on. These all are the illegal activities and crimes happening in the gaming world, and some of you might not even be knowing about it. So, today we'll be diving in the darkest place of the gaming world and knowing much more about it. Now, let's start with cheating, one of the most common problems that ruins the experience for everyone. It is when a player disrupts fair play by gaining an unfair advantage using unauthorized programs, hacks, or glitches. These hacks can be downloaded online or are hidden within modified controllers, and this could get you banned from the game. Doxing, a serious illegal invasion of privacy. Doxing is like revenge by public exposure. Someone digs up your personal info like address and phone number from your social media or through hacking and shares it online, often with malicious intent, so you can be harassed, stalked, or even targeted in real life once your info is out there. Data theft, it is nothing but stealing digitally. Hackers usually target companies and steal user data from their servers, but they might also trick you into doing some task like clicking a link or downloading a fake app so that they can steal your password, credit card info, or even personal messages. Always be careful what you click online and stay aware. Account hacking. It means gaining access to your account by stealing your password or sneaking malware onto your device by hackers. And you could be the next victim if you have simple passwords which are easy to crack, clicking unknown links, or entering login info on fake websites and downloading infected files. This lets hackers steal your info in the background and steal your virtual items like money or even use your account for further attacks. Money laundering. Dirty money earned from illegal activities and making it look legitimate. Criminals with piles of cash from drugs or stolen goods put the dirty money into the system, like buying video games items with it. Then they move the money around through multiple transactions, making it hard to track the source. Finally, the so-called clean money is put back into the real world, appearing legitimate. This cycle hides the criminal source of money. It's illegal and helps criminals keep their profits. Real money trading, or RMT. Imagine selling your items in a game for like actual cash. Buying or selling virtual game goods for real world money is often against the game rules. But there are a few websites that facilitate the exchange, often with a fee. While some players use it, this can be risky and violate game rules. Copyright infringement. Copyright protects the design, stopping others from copying it. But when using, sharing, or selling someone's creative work like games, music, movies, and written work without the creator's permission is copyright infringement, which can lead to lawsuit and fines. Cyberbullying and harassment both can have serious psychological and emotional effects on victim, as anyone can be targeted by the bullies, often for their looks, beliefs, or how they play. They use social media, emails, and other online communication to stalk, harass, or threaten others. This ultimately results in anxiety or depression. Hate speech and discrimination. An online environment where people feel inferior because of who they are. Online insulting, expressing hatred, and treating people unfairly or differently based on characteristics such as race, religion, ethnicity, or gender. This can have real-world consequences as it discourages participation and develops negativity. Match fixing and betting fraud. Players secretly manipulate and influence the outcome in a competitive game by bribing players and officials involved in the fix. Bets are then placed by them or others on the predetermined outcome for financial gain, which obviously destroys the fair play and is an illegal way of making profits. For now, let's stop here. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if I get a good response from this video, I'll definitely make a part 2.